urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lorain County, Medina County, Summit County until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storms were located near the Lake Erie shore of Lorain and Cuyahoga counties and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Medina, Akron, Brunswick, Lodi, Macedonia, Twinsburg, Wadsworth, Cuyahoga Falls, Hudson, Barberton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Lorain, Medina, and Summit. Urgent weather.